Do you ever want to speak English but you don't know what to talk about? Today you'll learn how to talk about your own day, clearly, calmly, and naturally. Hello, and welcome back to Real World English, a place where you can listen, repeat, and slowly build real English speaking confidence. My name is Tim, and I'm really happy you're here. In this episode, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use simple, natural English, and I will repeat key ideas so you can shadow my voice and practice speaking with confidence step by step. Today we are going to practice describing your daily routine in English. Not short answers, but complete natural thoughts. We will talk about your morning, your afternoon, your evening and night. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your day in a way that feels real and comfortable. Let's begin. Your daily routine is one of the best topics for English practice. Why? Because it's familiar, it's personal, and it happens at every single day. You don't need special knowledge. You don't need difficult vocabulary. You already know what time you wake up, what you eat, where you go, how you feel during the day. When you talk about your own life, you practice useful English, the kind people actually use in conversations. And little by little, something important happens. You stop thinking so much. You stop translating every word. Your sentences become more natural. That's real progress. Imagine someone asks you, "How was your day?" If you practice this skill, you can answer calmly. You might say, "I woke up early. I worked most of the day. In the evening, I relaxed and watched TV." That's not perfect English, but it works, and communication is the goal. Morning is a powerful time. It sets your energy for the day. Let's practice some clear morning sentences together. Please repeat slowly after me. Morning practice. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. On busy days, I wake up a little earlier. If I sleep late, my morning feels slow and heavy. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my plans. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. Then I slowly get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water to wake up. Sometimes I take a quick shower. Now listen to this short morning story. You can pause and repeat each sentence. In the morning, I usually wake up around 7. I stay in bed for a short moment and think about the day. I stretch, yawn, and slowly stand up. I brush my teeth and wash my face. If I feel sleepy, I take a warm shower and listen to soft music. After the shower, I get dressed and prepare breakfast. I drink coffee near the window and enjoy the silence. Before leaving, I check my phone and pack my bag. Then I step outside and begin my day. The afternoon is often the most demanding part of the day. Energy goes down, focus becomes harder, and stress can appear. Let's practice some realistic afternoon sentences. After lunch, I return to my work or studies. Sometimes I feel sleepy and need time to focus again. I check my emails and reply to important messages. I have meetings, tasks, or classes. In the afternoon, if I work from home and I sit at my desk and open my laptop. Around 3 o'clock, my energy drops. I take a short break and drink water or tea. Sometimes I feel bored or tired, and that's normal. If I can, I go outside for fresh air. Even a short walk helps clear my mind. When I have free time, I study English. I listen to slow audio and repeat sentences out loud. This helps me stay focused and calm before finishing my work. I write down what I did today. It helps me feel organized and less stressed. After lunch, I go back to my desk. I feel a little tired, but I try to stay focused. I check my emails and finish small tasks first. Later, I join a short meeting and listen carefully. In the afternoon, I take a break and drink tea. I stand near the window and breathe deeply before the day ends. I review my work and write one sentence in English about how I feel. Evening is a time to slow down. Let's repeat some calm evening sentences. I come home in the evening and rest for a few minutes. I change my clothes and relax my body. I eat dinner and talk with my family or enjoy a quiet meal alone. After dinner, I clean up and prepare for the night. Sometimes I go for a short walk to clear my head. Later, I listen to music or read something light. I think about my day and what went well. Before bed, I brush my teeth and take a deep breath. I go to bed feeling calm and ready for tomorrow. Now it's your turn. Try to talk about your own day, morning, afternoon, evening. Use short sentences, speak slowly, and don't rush yourself. If this lesson helped you, save this video, listen again, and practice tomorrow. You can also write one sentence about your day in the comments. You're not just learning English. You're using English, one real sentence at a time. This is English Unleashed. I'm Tim, and I'm proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, and I'll see you next time.